I think the big thing is that, you know, from produce we have a double fresh guarantee on all our perishables, so we're looking to put out the best quality produce we can at the best price we can. We also price match our local competitors, so to make sure that, you know, on staple items we will always be right there at as one of the leaders in the market for price. And then we have some real interesting offerings for the store. Anybody that doesn't know, we have a third-party vendor in here, which is Fraser View Meats, very well known in the Surrey community. And then we also have Tequa Foods, which is a third-party halal meat vendor. So I think we've sort of been able to reach out to all different branches of our community here in Surrey.